In this video, we'll show you how to convert a Shopify Smart collection to a manual collection using Altera. For those of you who don't know, Altera is an import-export tool for Shopify that uses the same format as Matrixify, but has additional features as well. Let's get started. So on our test store here, if we go to collections, we'll see that we have a Smart collection here with a few conditions. What we want to do now is create a manual collection from this. So what we'll have to do is we'll first export this, and you can either go to the app and filter or go right here and click export with Altera. That will open up the app, and we'll make sure that we just have the Smart collection selected. And down here we won't need to include the rules, but we will need to include the products. And what this will do is it will give us a spreadsheet with all the products in the Smart collection. Once we have that, we just click Start Export, and the app will go through. This was a small collection and finished in just a second. And now we can look at the spreadsheet that we have here. So if I drag that onto the screen, we'll see that we have a handle for the spreadsheet here, a title, and then over here we have a list of all the products in the collection. If we re-import this right now into the store, the app will detect that the automated collection already exists, so it will cause an issue. What we can do though is we'll just delete the ID and handle columns like that, and then we can say, let's call this new peak performance, and we can either fill this down or just delete the rows. It doesn't really matter. We'll leave it there, and then we'll save this file here. So it's actually, just to make it easier for the automatic detection, we can also rename the tag or the tab manual collections. So we do that, save the document. That's not required, but it just helps the app automatically identify that it's a manual collection. Then we go back to Altera. We'll upload a file, and we have our export here. We'll see that the app detects it's a manual collection, and it's showing all the columns in the file. If you need more reference, we can also click here to see the documentation we have for that type. But this all looks good, so then we can click on Start Import. The app will just take a second to process. It will find all those products and create a new collection for you. Now you can download the output to see the results in a Excel file with columns at the end explaining what happened, but you can also see the results directly here on the screen. If we click on this, it will open up the new the new manual collection. We'll see it has a new name, and now the products, there's no rules for the collection, but the products are just here, and you can remove individual ones or add new ones if you would like. So that's all there is to it. You can find Altera on the Shopify App Store, and please reach out to our support if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.